Hello friend, welcome to the Mr. Web's YouTube channel and thank you for visiting this channel. Do you know you can genuinely make money in a variety of ways online? I've covered some of those ways of how to make money online in detail here, including how to get started. Yet even though I've been doing this for 3 years, there is one of them that still amazes me. I've made a lot of money doing that, and I think it's the best way to make money. The fact that you can make thousands of naira and other currencies doing this each month and that it is highly scalable is even more astounding. It can be scaled, and it can help you to make huge profits weekly. I'm going to break out each method you need to use for you in this video. I'll then go over them one by one and explain them to you. You'll be extremely happy, and not only will you be happy, but you'll be more motivated to try it out, and I'm confident you'll get a lot of results if you use every tactic I'll be outlining in this particular video. Please don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it or find it useful. Doing so will help the video gain more views and will also motivate me to continue making thought-provoking and useful stuff for you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. Without wasting much of your time, I'll go straight into the video since I'll be responding to every comment that comes in on this specific video. The best and most efficient way to make up to $5,000 a month is in this way, but you should always keep in mind that the method I'll be showing you in this video can help you generate much more income. If you master this technique, your life will essentially transform for the better. Many people, including myself, have increased their monthly income with ranging from $0 to thousands of dollars. In this specific video, I'm going to share something with you guys, and as you watch, you'll notice that many people are asking, but how exactly are they doing it? How exactly did they get started, and what data did they gather that had been helpful up to this point? You don't need to worry either, because I'm about to explain everything we are doing in detail. Remember, too, that it is not a result of good fortune or genius. I've seen many of individuals stumble upon internet income opportunities and immediately exclaim, "Oh, for bright individuals." The folks are just fortunate, as you are aware. I just want to reassure you of that. That it has nothing to do with intelligence, genius, or anything else of the sort. You don't need to know anyone or have any formal education. All you need to do is possess information that is superior to that of your target market. Join these guys to begin making thousands of bucks each month using your laptop or smartphone, whatever you have. Because this is unquestionably the simplest, fastest, and most lucrative way to make money with your smartphone. You may rely on that phrase and the online creation and sale of digital goods. I realize that some of you are unfamiliar with the term digital product. Anything that is a PDF, ebook, audio file, or video file is a digital product. Also, you can download and browse this content online. Before I go into the details of the video, I want you to understand that you can design this once, and all you have to do after that is probably enhance it. If you have innovative ideas that you believe will benefit your consumers and be highly profitable, the world would be a more interesting place. I guess what I'm trying to convey is that you only need to develop this once, and then you can upgrade it so that your customers receive updated information as you have new information you want to share with them.
Thanks Ella, your presentation is nice. So I take up from here now. I'll start with the first illustration, a PDF file, which is intended for writers. You probably enjoy writing, enjoy interacting with readers, enjoy wordplay, and enjoy capturing the artistic sensibilities of your readers in your writing. So you should probably give this a shot because it is really profitable, and I won't deny that some of us do it. You don't enjoy writing at all? You don't necessarily know how to play with words, how to express your words, or how to write what is on your heart, but you shouldn't worry since there is software that can assist you in doing so with little to no work on your part. Artificial intelligence is what this is. With little to no effort on my part, they assist you. About the only thing left to do is to draft an outline for the book you wish to write. You have the title and the outline with you, and you can quickly input this into your AI to help you create a book. I must assist you in coming up with some material for your book. but I need to know that you at least change a few words before turning all of it into a book. Everything needs to be tailored to meet your personality type so that when people experience it, they can sense the personality behind it. Hence, once you have everything from your AI, you can quickly alter it, tweak it, change some words, and possibly add or remove some items. And by doing this, I can be sure that you already believe you don't need to be a proficient writer. You are not required to possess wordplay skills. You don't need to understand how to utilize all of the commands, hyphens, and other formatting in your work because this AI will assist you in doing that. Now, you can easily utilize websites like Grammarly to fix your words if you added any improvements to your book but aren't sure of the terms so that you have a high-quality book to distribute to your audience. Now that you have finished writing the book's content, designing the cover, the inside pages, and the back page won't be a problem at all because you can accomplish that with some free software. We have materials like Canvas. All you have to do is visit Canvas, search for book templates, you will get a ton of templates. Edit each template to fit your style and the specifics of what you have in mind. One thing I can guarantee is that your ebook will sell a lot, and in this video, I show you exactly how you can make that happen. I have a video that goes through everything in more detail if you're interested in learning how to generate formats, edit, and design your ebook with your smartphone. It's available on my channel. In order for you to see it, I'll disclose it in the description. It's really succinct. I provided step-by-step instructions on how to make, format, and edit your video using only your smartphone. I assure you that it is very valuable. When your book is finished, you can begin discussing it in your social media status updates. Even just talking to people about your book can be done in a video. You can produce several movies to pique the interest of your target market, and when they watch, they can determine whether or not they want to purchase it. Remember, if you advertise this effectively, you'll sell a lot of copies each week and you may potentially make up to $1,000 per week by selling this simple book you wrote for yourself. Of course, the most astounding aspect is that you may sell it indefinitely. You may easily sell it at any time, forever. And you're not required to be there. All you have to do is post your link on your social media network. Anytime someone wants to grab it and sees it, they can simply get you. You can earn a lot of money without getting engaged. This actually blows my head a lot, in my opinion. The audio file is the second kind of digital product.
Thanks, Mr. Webbs. If you have a good voice, you enjoy talking and engaging people in conversation as well as sharing your knowledge. If so, you'll adore this second illustration of a digital good, which is an audio file. And you really fit this. If you are like me, you really don't like to show your face, all you like is for others to hear your voice and pay attention to you. Since making audio digital items is so lucrative, you should give it a try. You may generate a wide variety of audio recordings, including meditation guides and positive affirmations. Some people enjoy listening to guided meditations. Kids enjoy hearing encouraging words. Hence, all you have to do is pick up your phone and begin recording. Now, if you wanted to sound more proficient and powerful, you will need to acquire a mic that you can easily link your smartphone to. When you are finished recording, you may then record with seats. Using software like Audiolab makes editing it simple. You can improve your voice with the software, and it will sound fantastic. You may easily download it as an MP4 file after using the software to fix minor problems, reduce background noise, and other things. To give your song the perfect finishing touch, all you have to do is add background music, one that is, of course, copyright-free so that no copyright claims are made against your work. With this information, you may also launch a podcast where people will pay you for them to hear you speak. Possibly you made the decision to launch an affirmation podcast. You can start reading material to people that you likely created yourself or that your AI helped you produce, and that you have obviously modified to add your own unique personality. Thus, you may just begin speaking affirmations to yourself aloud on your phone, such as, "I am a winner," "I am this," and other such phrases. There are quite a few people that enjoy having access to this kind of content, so they may listen to it while they go about their daily lives. There are, of course, many methods to advertise this. On your social media channels, you may sell it while producing content for yourself. You may let your friends know about it, and they will likely help you spread the word to their audience so that anyone who is interested can get in touch with you and purchase your audio file for the price you set. And if you do this really well, you may earn thousands of dollars each month. Also, this is something that is incredibly scalable because as more people hear you speak and eventually start talking about it, more people become aware of you and eventually purchase your file from you. If you do this correctly, it can be quite profitable. The creation of video files, the final component of a digital project, is actually my favorite. My 3 years of doing it had brought in a sizable sum of money. Many of my friends who also do this have amassed fortunes in the hundreds both in Nigeria and abroad. Making video files, like doing video files, can be quite profitable. Of course, you can monetize your YouTube channel, but you should also share your knowledge with others. You probably know more about something than other people, like how to cook outside or about fitness and exercise, which are only two things that people really want to know. For instance, I've taken a goal-setting course and I'm proficient in time management, goal-setting, and other related skills. So all I had to do was turn it into a course, which I am now selling to people virtually every day. Moreover, I teach a course on Canvas. In one of my videos, where I also introduce folks and their christening designs that cover our trust in their smartphones and all of those liquids, I link to it. Something that I made with only my smartphone and that I thought other people could find useful.
Special thanks to all previous presenters on this video. I will now wrap us the rest of the video presentation. I produced all of the video calls using my smartphone, and now I sell them frequently thanks to my listing on an e-commerce website called Seller, which enables customers to view your audio file, video file, or even ebook before deciding whether or not to purchase it. As a result, it's simple to make. That can be a sitting down video where you get. You can easily do it on your laptop with software like Active Presenter. Teach people whatever you want to teach them. It may also be a screen record, probably a presentation. The majority of my presentations are done on it, and it's really quite beautiful. Also, I believe that creating webinars on YouTube is one method that is also quite effective. I frequently engage in this. Most likely, you have expertise you'd like to impart, all you need to do is ask for payment first. Of course, make sure it is really profitable to avoid giving the impression that you are stealing their money. Make sure you provide them something extremely profitable, even more valuable than the money they presume to receive. Hence, selling your course is really simple, and you may do the promotion yourself. But renting your video file on affiliate networks that house digital items is one of the greatest ways if you want to generate a lot of sales. The affiliates can then help you promote your product, and you then get a lot of sales as a result. Many young Nigerians who have used this method to make a lot of money have I witnessed. I noticed one in particular this week. He produced about 100. Selling digital goods is expected to generate millions of naira in around 18 months. Hence, I think that if you use the method that I outline in this video, particularly producing the file and then listing it on an affiliate network, you will succeed in becoming very wealthy. I can confidently guarantee that. I'm taking this extremely seriously. I believe that concludes the video. I appreciate you everyone watching. In today's digital age, making money online has become easier than ever before. Here are some simple ways you can start earning money online. Freelancing. If you have a skill such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online surveys. There are many companies that will pay you for completing surveys. Websites like Swagbox and Survey Junkie offer rewards for your opinions. Sell your products. If you have a product to sell, you can set up an online store on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, You can offer online tutoring services through platforms like Check or TutorMe. These are just a few examples of the many opportunities available to make money online. Remember, success in any of these ventures requires hard work, dedication, and persistence.